Hello everyone. This is Emma, and you are listening to Fluent English Listening and Shadowing Practice. If you truly want to improve your English speaking skills, your pronunciation, your fluency, and your confidence, then this episode is specially designed for you. Today's topic is simple, but powerful. The power of small daily habits. Take a deep breath. Relax your shoulders. Clear your mind. And let's begin. Every morning, Daniel wakes up at 6:30 a.m. Not because he feels excited. Not because he feels motivated. But because he made a decision. Some mornings, he feels tired. Some mornings, he feels lazy. And sometimes, he just wants to stay in bed. But he follows one simple rule. He never checks his phone in the first 30 minutes after waking up. No social media. No messages. No notifications. Instead, he drinks a glass of water. He opens the window. He lets the fresh air enter the room. And he takes 3 slow, deep breaths. That's it. Nothing dramatic. Nothing magical. Just 3 small actions. Now repeat after me. I wake up early every morning. I don't always feel motivated. But I follow small daily habits. Small habits create big results. Good, say it again, slowly, clearly. Now listen carefully. Most people wait for motivation. They say, I will start tomorrow. I will start when I feel ready. I will start when life becomes easier. But life does not become easier. Life becomes better. When we become better. Daniel understood something important. Motivation is temporary. Discipline is powerful. Motivation changes with mood. Discipline stays even when you feel tired. He doesn't try to change his whole life in one day. He focuses on improving, just 1%. Every single day. One small improvement. One small decision. One small action. And over time, those small actions become powerful habits. Repeat after me. I don't wait for motivation. I take action every day. I improve 1% daily. Consistency is more important than perfection. Very good, keep practicing. Now let's continue. Daniel works in a small office. He is not the smartest person there. He is not the most talented. He is not the most confident speaker. But he has one strong advantage. He finishes what he starts. Every morning at work, he writes a simple to-do list. Only 3 tasks. Not 10 tasks. Not 20 tasks. Just 3 important tasks. And he completes them, before checking social media. Before watching videos. Before wasting time. At first, nobody notices. Nobody claps. Nobody praises him. But Daniel doesn't stop. Because he understands something. Results take time. After a few months, something changes. His manager begins to trust him more. His coworkers begin to respect him. He receives bigger responsibilities. Not because he talks too much. Not because he tries to impress everyone. But because he delivers results, consistently. Repeat after me. I focus on 3 important tasks. I finish what I start. I avoid distractions. Discipline creates freedom. Excellent. Now listen carefully. Not every day is perfect. Some days, Daniel feels stressed. Some days, he makes mistakes. Some days, he feels like giving up. And that is normal. Nobody is perfect. But here is the difference. He never misses his habits, 2 days in a row. If he skips exercise today, he exercises tomorrow. If he eats unhealthy food today, he chooses healthy food tomorrow. If he feels lazy in the morning, he still completes at least one small task. He does not quit. He resets. That is the secret. Success is not about being perfect. Success is about coming back, quickly, after a mistake. Repeat after me. I don't quit when I fail. I reset and continue. One bad day does not define me. I am building a better version of myself. Very powerful. Say it again with confidence. Now pause for a moment. Think about your own life. What is one small habit you can start today? Not a big dream. Not a huge goal. Just one small action. Maybe speaking English for 5 minutes every day. Maybe learning 5 new words daily. Maybe reading 1 page of a book. Maybe waking up 20 minutes earlier. Small actions create confidence. Small actions create discipline. Small actions create transformation. Remember this sentence. Your future is built by your daily habits. Repeat after me slowly. My daily habits shape my future. I choose discipline over excuses. I improve step by step. I am becoming stronger every day. Take a deep breath. Practice this episode 2 or 3 times. Shadow my voice. Copy the rhythm. Copy the pronunciation. Copy the pauses. Hello again. This is Emma. Welcome back to your English listening and shadowing practice. In part 1, we learned about Daniel's small daily habits. Today, we will see how those small habits begin to change his confidence, his relationships, and his future. Take a deep breath. And let's continue. 6 months later. Daniel is not a completely different person. But something inside him has changed. He walks a little straighter. He speaks a little clearer. He thinks a little calmer. Why? Because small wins create quiet confidence. One morning, during a team meeting, something unexpected happens. His manager says, "Daniel, would you like to present this project to the client?" For a moment, his heart beats faster. Old Daniel would say, "No. I'm not ready. Maybe someone else should do it." But this time, he pauses. He remembers all the small promises he kept to himself. Waking up early. Finishing his tasks. Improving 1% daily. And he says, "Yes. I can do it." Repeat after me. I say yes to growth. I choose courage over comfort. Confidence grows through action. Very good. The presentation day arrives. He feels nervous. His hands are slightly cold. His voice shakes in the beginning. But he doesn't run away. He takes one deep breath. And he starts speaking. Slowly, clearly, confidently. Not perfectly. But honestly. And something powerful happens. The client listens carefully. The manager nods in approval. The meeting ends successfully. Daniel didn't become confident overnight. He built confidence through daily discipline. Remember this sentence. Confidence is not a gift. It is a result. Repeat after me. Confidence is built daily. I grow stronger with practice. Action creates belief. Excellent. Now let's talk about relationships. Before. Daniel used to complain a lot. He blamed traffic. He blamed work. He blamed the weather. He blamed other people. But as his habits improved, his mindset improved. He started listening more. Speaking less. Reacting calmly. One evening, his friend says, "You've changed, you seem more peaceful." Daniel smiles. Because real growth is silent. You don't need to announce it. People can feel it. Repeat after me. I control my reactions. I respond with calm energy. I am improving every day. Very nice. Now listen carefully. After 1 year. Daniel's life is not perfect. He still has problems. He still has challenges. He still has difficult days. But he has something powerful. Self-trust. He trusts himself. He trusts that if things go wrong, he will adjust. He will reset. He will continue. And that changes everything. Because when you trust yourself, you stop fearing the future. Repeat after me. I trust myself. I can handle challenges. I don't give up easily. I keep moving forward. Now imagine your future. 1 year from today. If you improve just 1% every day, how different will your English be? How different will your confidence be? How different will your life feel? Small habits look boring in the beginning, but they create extraordinary results. Most people quit too early. You will not quit. You are building discipline. You are building fluency. You are building a new identity. And identity is powerful. When you say, I am becoming a disciplined person, your brain begins to believe it. When you say, I am becoming fluent in English, your actions start to match your words. Repeat after me slowly. I am becoming more confident. I am becoming more disciplined. I am becoming fluent in English. Every day, I improve. Take a deep breath. Feel the words. This is not just a story about Daniel. It is a story about you. Your small habits. Your daily practice. Your shadowing sessions. They are shaping your future right now. Not tomorrow. Not next year. Right now. Consistency is your superpower. Discipline is your advantage. And progress is waiting for you. This is Emma. Thank you for listening. Practice this episode 2 or 3 times. Shadow every sentence. Copy the pauses. Having a lot of money doesn't make you rich. Real wealth is in the heart. A truly rich person is the one who helps the poor, lifts others when they're down, and gives without expecting anything back. Because money can buy comfort, but kindness creates legacy.